Hello, my dear students. In our previous class, I have started the parts of sentence, that is purely grammar. In parts of sentence, there are two sentences. That is the subject and the predicate. Let us learn about the subject and the predicate. What is subject and what is predicate? In our previous class, I explained you on the board in which in sentence 1 we talk about Gopal. In sentence 2 we talk about the cat. In sentence 3 we talk about the cow. In sentence 4 we talk about the milkman. आमे प्रथम सेंटेंस रे गोपाल संपर्क रे कहलु एवं द्वितीय सेंटेंस रे कैट संपर्क कहलु सेही बड़ी सेंटेंस 3 रे कहलु आमे काउ संपर्क रे गाय एवं इन सेंटेंस 4 सेंटेंस 4 रे हमें का संपर्क रे कहले द मिल्कमैन ए विक्षिप्त भाव रे विशेष भाव हम कहबा सो दिस पार्ट इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए टॉक This part is the subject of the talk. माने हमें subject जोटा कि कर्ता संपर्कित हमें कहिले प्रत्येक से चारिटी जाक प्रत्येक सेंटेंस रे हम कहिले that is why it is called the subject of the sentence ताकू तेणु ताकू ये subject of the sentence बोली पावला हैला जेहेतु हमें subject पाई कहिले next the subject of a sentence is the noun. In our previous class I told you clearly that in a main sentence, in a perfect sentence there are two parts. First one is subject part, second one is predicate part. That means the predicate part is expressing or telling something about the subject. What the subject has done, what the subject is going to do, and what the subject will do. I have clearly explained in our previous class. In subject 1, in the subject part, there is either noun or pronoun. In predicate part, there is verb, either full verb or helping verb or known as auxiliary verb. The other part of each sentence gives अन्य part तो हमको कहे जे what we say about the subject. Subject तो संपर्क हम कौन कहे देखो in sentence 1 we say in sentence 1 रे हम कहू has a little lamb has होची have verb has a little lamb गोटिए छेड़ी छाटी अच्छी का कहे गोपाल about गोपाल पाखरे अच्छी कहले ताउची गोपाल होची सब्जेक्ट हैज ए लिटिल लैम्ब होची निकटर अच्छी बा पाखरे अच्छी छेड़ी छाटी बोलेटा होची प्रेडिकेट दैट मींस the predicate part has a little lamb expresses or predicating about the subject. The subject is Gopal. In sentence 2 we say chased the rat. In द्वितीय सेंटेंस रे हम कहलु chased the rat मूसा को गुड़ेला किए गुड़ेला about the cat टी गुड़ेला बोले हमें इट वर्णना करी कहलु chased the rat means it is predicating about the cat. That means the cat chased the rat. In sentence 3 we say sentence 3 हम कहू is the manager बा मालिक पाखर अच्छी is be well is the manager predicate it also complete predicate का भाई कहला about the cow cow super cow ni guy ti kaha par achi kochi it is predicating about the subject. What is at the manager? That means the cow is at the manager. That means the predicating part is telling about the subject. In sentence 4, we say is at the door. Is at the door. Beware. Is at the door. It is completely predicate. That means it is predicating about the milkman. That means the complete sentence is the complete sentence is the milkman is at the door. The milkman is the subject at the same way, at the same time, and at the same way, the predicate is at the manager. That means we are telling about the milkman. That means the predicate part is telling about the subject, that is the milkman. About telling about the milkman. This is the description. I have written on the board. You are all requested to write down and note down these things what I wrote on the blackboard. Look out. My dear students, I would like to say that today I will stop writing and expressing something about the subject and the predicate part. The remaining part will be taught tomorrow. So you are all requested to continue and write down what shall I write on the blackboard or whiteboard.